I'm Dr. Manjusha Kulkarni. I'm presenting my lecture on aromatic electrophilic substitution. The substitution reaction of benzene and its derivative. As we know, the benzene is aromatic. It is a cyclic compound, conjugated compound, which contains 6 pi electrons. 3 double bonds are there, therefore 6 pi electrons. The reactions of benzene lead to the retention of the aromatic character. Therefore, such compounds are stable due to aromacity. Now, the aromatic benzene ring can undergo the acylation, alkylation, hydroxylation, sulfonation, nitration, and halogenation. These varieties of reactions can possible. Now we are going to study the aromatic nitration. In this aromatic nitration, the combination, we are taking the nitric acid and sulfuric acid, which produces the nitronium ion. This nitronium ion acts as an electrophile. The reaction with benzene produces the nitrobenzene. The actual mechanism of the reaction takes place in 3 steps. First is generation of the electrophile nitronium ion. By taking the nitric acid and sulfuric acid, the nitronium ion is produced, in which the nitrogen having the positive charge, which acts as a electrophile, which is electron deficient in nature. Benzene having pi electron cloud, rich in electron, therefore it reacts on benzene ring. The electrophile will react on benzene ring. Electrophile gets attached with benzene ring. First, the benzene ring having pi cloud of electron and the electrophile nitronium having positive charge. There is a pi complex formation. That is the first step. Second step is electrophile react on benzene. It gets attached with benzene with a single bond, that is sigma bond. And whenever electrophile get attached, next carbon always acquires the positive charge, that is carbocation formation takes place. In this case, there is a bond between sigma bond between the nitronium ion, that is electrophile, and the benzene ring. Therefore, it is known as a sigma complex formation. Then third step is the H2SO4. From that, the HSO4 negative is present in the medium. That anion picks up the proton and aromatization takes place. Thus, overall reaction, the hydrogen of the benzene ring is replaced by the NO2 group. Therefore, the NO2 gets substituted on benzene ring. Thus, the electrophile gets substituted on benzene ring. Therefore, it is an aromatic electrophilic substitution. Now, similarly, the sulfonation takes place. But in sulfonation, the electrophile is SO3. Like nitration, NO2 having nitrogen having positive charge. But in sulfonation, sulfur is a neutral, but it is an electrophile because sulfur is an electron deficient center. This sulfur, the generation of the electrophile SO3 can be possible by using the H2SO4 or fuming H2SO4. It will produce the SO3. This SO3 having resonance stabilization. Then this first pi complex formation takes place. The benzene ring and the electrophile SO3 form the pi complex. SO3 negative gets attached electrophile on benzene ring. Carbocation will get formed. Here sigma complex formation. Then aromatization and SO3 negative group gets attached on benzene ring. That anion, it is a strong anion. It will pick up the proton from H3O positive and it will finally form the SO3H. Therefore, the overall reaction is the benzene ring by sulfonation, by reaction with SO3 electrophile, the SO3H gets substituted on benzene ring. Therefore, this electrophile gets substituted. Therefore, it is electrophilic substitution. Sulfamides or sulfa drug antibiotics contains this. Similarly, the halogenation reaction takes place. The halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine can be substituted on the benzene. The alkylation, the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is possible in case of benzene. In this case, the catalyst uses anhydrous aluminum trichloride, AlCl3. In the whatever substrate, that means alkyl halide, for alkylation we required alkyl halide. That alkyl halide form the polarized complex with AlCl3, and due to polarized complex, the carbocation gets formed. This carbocation acts as an electrophile, and thus the R group get introduced on the benzene ring. It first react, form a carbocation, and then aromatization takes place. As AlCl4 negative is present, it will abstract the proton, and does overall reaction, the alkyl group gets isobutyl. This group gets introduced on the benzene ring. This R group, that is alkyl group, introduced on benzene ring, therefore it is called as a alkylation. This Friedel-Crafts scientists developed this method by using the anhydrous AlCl3 which act as a catalyst, therefore reaction takes place very fastly. There are some limitations of Friedel-Crafts reaction, that only the alkyl halides can be used as fluorine, chlorine, iodine and bromine. Aryl halides and vinyl halides do not react. It will not work with the rings which contains an amino group substituent or strong electron withdrawing group. There are also another problem, polyalkylation problem can occur because the first alkylation is activating. That will means the R group will introduce, and further again at ortho meta para the R group gets introduced, and therefore yield of the product will be decreases. Whatever product we want, that yield of that product particularly decreases because number of product formation are there. Polyalkylation problem is there. We cannot stop the polyalkylation. This is one of the drawback. Also, there is a rearrangement taking place. This is also another drawback of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. To overcome this, the Friedel-Crafts suggested the Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this case, the acid chloride reacts with the benzene ring in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. The acyl group gets introduced on this. The advantage of this Friedel-Crafts acylation is only substituted once because there is no polyalkylation problem or polyacylation problem because this acyl group is a deactivating group. No rearrangement because of resonance stabilization of the cation. Now here actually in mechanism it is similar to alkylation. The electrophile which is very reactive is a acylium ion or cation. The acyl cation cannot rearrange. This is one of the advantage because it is having a resonance stabilization. Thus overall the acyl group RCOCl, from that the RCO group is introduced on the benzene ring. Therefore acyl group is introduced. It is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. There are some advantage of acylation. We can bring out the Clemenson's reduction, carbonyl group convert into CH2, and thus by using Friedel-Crafts acylation we can carry out by additional last step reduction. We can convert into the alkyl group. Thus Friedel-Crafts alkylation is also possible by using Friedel-Crafts acylation. The substituent effects in aromatic ring is there. Therefore, some substituents are much or more or less reactive than the benzene. The substituent affect the orientation of the reaction. That means ortho and para directing are activators. Then meta directing are deactivators. And the halogens, like they are exceptionally ortho and para orienting, although they are activator. The activating groups donates the electron to the ring and stabilizing the carbocation intermediate. While deactivating groups, which are electron withdrawing in nature, they withdraws the electron from the ring and destabilize the carbocation. Why the electron donating group are ortho and para orienting? With the help of this, whenever on benzene ring a plus I effect, that methyl group which shows plus I effect was put up, and the reaction carried out nitration on ortho, meta and para. Therefore, whenever nitro group is introduced at ortho position or para position, then there are these two structures which are more stable because the positive charge is present to which CH3 group is attached. This is a deficient. Positive means deficient. But whenever CH3 group is attached to that carbon, methyl group donates its electron to this, and thus this carbocation gets stabilized. This is in ortho. Similarly, it is in para. But whenever meta attack takes place, such type of structure is not possible. Therefore, any stabilization is not there of carbocation. And therefore, whenever electron donating group are there like methyl, then ortho and para product electrophilic reaction takes place. NO2 nitration, that means this group, whether it is a plus I or minus I, that means electron donating and withdrawing, which direct the incoming electrophile should go to the which position. Therefore, if electron donating group is there, the electrophile will go to the ortho position as well as para position, but not meta. Now, the group some are electron withdrawing in nature, like in benzaldehyde. Aldehyde group is a deactivating, that means it withdraws the electrons from the ring. They are deactivator. They are meta orienting, means whenever ortho, meta, para, again compare nitration of that, then in that case the ortho and para shows the structure to which positive charge is there to that aldehyde group is attached. But here the carbocation doesn't get stabilized because aldehyde group is electron withdrawing in nature. This positive means it is electron deficient. Already it is deficient, and aldehyde group, this CHO group, as its nature is electron withdrawing, it try to take the electrons from that. Therefore, this carbocation doesn't get stabilized whenever ortho attack takes place or para. But such type of structure is not possible in meta, and therefore whenever electron withdrawing groups are there, it gives always meta product. Therefore, we can summarize this in the chart. The methyl group is an activating group, therefore it gives ortho and para product. Like OH, NH2 having lone pair of electron, they are also electron donating group called as activating group. They also gives ortho and para product. While fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, although they are deactivating, therefore we are expecting it should give meta product, but exceptionally they gives ortho and para product. In that case, both effects are operated, resonance and electron withdrawing effect. As halogens are electron withdrawing in nature, but there is also resonance effect because chlorine, bromine, iodine, they contains a lone pair of electron, therefore they donate its electron to the benzene ring through the plus R effect. Here plus R effect is more predominant than electron withdrawing effect, and due to that it gives a ortho and para product. While electron withdrawing group like nitro, cyano, CHO, COH, etc., they are deactivating and they gives therefore meta product. Okay, this can be shown in this also. Thank you very much.